Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download and convert manga for your Kindle. So the first thing you need to do is download these three files, and specifically for this one, after you've downloaded, you need to go to its file locations, but basically the installation directory. And the next thing you will need to actually move this in its directory. I've already done it, because otherwise it will not work. It will not be able to convert the files in the extension for Kindle, which is .mobi. You'll get this error message if you don't have this Kindle Gen in its directory. So the next thing you will actually want to do is obviously select the manga of your preference, the one that you're gonna need. For my case, I usually use Manga Rock. I really like its user interface, and for the sake of the tutorial I'm just gonna pick a random one. Okay, so the next thing you will need is to fire up Hakoneko. You'll be able to download manga from pretty much everywhere. So in our case I'm gonna using Manga Rock, so I'm gonna select it. The next thing I will do is just copy the title, Control V, paste it here. So after you loaded the manga, the next thing you will actually want to do is head out on the settings menu and change the chapter file format. This is the format that it's going to use when it downloads it. By default, I believe it will be folder with images, and you need to change this to comic book archive. You can use PDF and directly just upload it to your Kindle, but the quality of the PDF is really bad in comparison to the other ones. So for this to work, we're gonna use comic book archive. The next thing you might want to do is actually change the manga directory. I've already connected it here on my desktop. And the next thing you will actually want to do is click on this cloud icon. This is the download button, basically for the chapters. The other one is a preview one. You can basically use the software to read manga as well, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna just get out and actually down the first 4 chapters. So as we can see, it has created a folder with the series names and these .zbz files, which are the comic book archives. The next thing you will actually want to do is open the Kindle Comic Converter. Everything you have to do is actually just go ahead, drag and drop them here, and after this you can actually select the ebook you want to convert them for. Something that's really important is that you need to take manga mode. I highly advise you to do that, and also mark stretch and upscale, and afterwards you can just go ahead and convert them. It's gonna convert them in .mobi files, which are the ones that the Kindle uses, and you can go ahead and directly just import them into your documents folder on your Kindle. Also, there's one thing you probably might want to know, and this is that the metadata is there isn't one. Basically, this is it. When you import it in your Kindle, all you get is chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, and the author of these chapters is named by the converter, which is the author is KCC, which is Kindle Comic Converter. And this can be a problem when you have multiple mangas from different series, because there'll be all of them will be named the same way, including the same author. So sadly, I haven't really found a workaround this, but the only way you can actually change the metadata is going here on the editor, clicking, like finding your downloads, clicking on them, and just going from here. Usually what I do is just create a text document. I go from on the website, copy the name, paste it here, Also, I want to copy the authors of the manga. And usually what I do is just copy and paste them here. And go for volume 0, number 1. And then go to the next one. And sadly, I haven't really found a way to do this automatically. The only way you can do this, or at least the only way that I know that you can do this, is actually just going manually and going one by one, which is pretty tedious, but it is what it is. So I hope this story was of help, and thank you for watching.